Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra specifications have just been leaked in detail. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra specifications have been leaked online, ahead of the launch of company's next-generation flagship smartphones. Most recently, the entire specifications of the Galaxy S23 Ultra have surfaced on Twitter, leaving little to the imagination of smartphone enthusiasts. As per the latest leak, the handset will sport a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It could be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM. It is said to be backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging support. Alleged specifications of the Galaxy S23 Ultra were shared on Twitter by Doyoon Kim, at Doyoon854. As per the leaked images, the handset will come in 4 color options: black, cream, green and violet, translated. It is set to ship with Android 13 based One UI 5.1 and feature a 6.8-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display that has a dynamic refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, 500 pixels per inch pixel density and HDR10 Plus support. The display could offer always-on support and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The leaked specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra were shared via Twitter. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is tipped to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, coupled with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM. It is said to come in 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage options as well. For optics, the handset is expected to carry a quad rear camera setup led by a 200-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.7 lens and support for OIS. The camera unit could also include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter along with two 10-megapixel telephoto shooters. For selfies, there could be a 12-megapixel sensor at the front. Connectivity options are set to include 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth V5.3, GPS, NFC and a USB Type-C port. Onboard sensors in the Galaxy S23 Ultra could include an accelerometer, gyro, magnetometer, and proximity sensor. It is tipped to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor as well. Further, the smartphone could have an IP68 rating for water resistance. As per the leak, Galaxy S23 Ultra will carry a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W charging. Besides, it could measure 163.3 x 78.1 x 8.9 mm and weighs 233 grams.